In this video, I'm going to talk about the ASPath attribute. So I'm using the same topology that I used when I talk about the next hop attribute. But here, in this video, I'm going to focus on ITF and ITC. And we're going to check ITF BGP routing table and see how it's learning routes from ITC. So let's go ahead and do that. You might be confused with the routers host names, but for some reason I couldn't change the host names that appear on the tabs, but you just have to look at the host name on the router's configurations. So let's go and check BGP routing table. Show IP BGP. So ITF is learning 192.68.11.0/24. The 192.68.5.2, that's the IP address of RTD, and it's also learning it via 172.16.20.1. That's the IP address of ITC here. But it's using this link here. It's using this link here as the best path because it's just directly connected to that route, or it's just one next hop. I mean, one ASPath away from one ASPath away. As you can see here, one path away. But on this link, it's two ASPath away. So that's why it's using this link here. So we're gonna manipulate ASPath information by prepending ES numbers on ITC. So we're gonna basically add ASPaths that ITC is sending to ITA, so that ITF is gonna use this link to get to that route. So ITF is gonna choose this link to get to that route. So let's go ahead and go to ITC. Let's check its BGP configuration first. So there's no route maps applied. So we're gonna actually create a route map and apply it to the neighbor. So here is route map. This is the route map name, and this is just the sequence. And usually there is a match statement here, but if there's no match statement, meaning that it's gonna match everything. So set, this is the action that it's gonna take. So basically we are prepending or adding two more aces, so 1 1. So usually we use the same our local ES numbers to prepend to the neighbors. So in this case 2 1s, and we apply the route map to neighbor ITA. This is the neighbor route map, and this is the name of the route map, and of course out, because we are sending the routes to ITA or AS3. So let's go ahead and make our changes. I'm gonna make a route map first. I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and go to, I'm gonna have to exit out AS1 and copy paste this config here. And that's it. I'm gonna do a clear IP BGP. So clear all the BGP sessions with all the peers. This is, you would not do this if you are making a change in the live uh, network. But here, this is just, you know, a lab, so I can just do, I can do that that command or way of resetting BGP sessions. So let's go to RTF and check its BGP routing table. Still using this link. I think you just have to give it some time. Let's check RTC BGP routing table. So this is the route, meaning that it's originating that route. Or that route is being advertised by this router itself. Hope that makes sense. Okay, let's go to ITF now. So here, before it was choosing this link, but now it's choosing this link because it is just 2 hops away. I think it should also show the link, this link, but not sure if it's a bug. But now ITF is, after we manipulate the ES information on ITC, ITF is choosing this link here because it has a shorter ES path compared to this link here. So yeah, that's all that's all in this video. I'm gonna I'll talk to you next time.